demonstrations and demonstrations. These demonstrations, according to the Ghanaians, they say nothing will stop this one this time around. They say nothing will stop this demonstration this time around. They say nothing will stop them. And the most reason, this man called himself that Igbo leader, the one we call himself Igbo leader. According to the Ghanaians, they say that man must go. Nothing will keep him in Ghana. They said they want him to go away from Ghana. They don't want to see him again. They want him to go. They don't need him. They don't need that man in Ghana. They say we Ghanaians, we don't want him because that man to the lie. And that man is another sitter in Ghana. Now enjoy the protest.
Any papa who are you motor rider? No second. No bibi kakraka. Efa Nigeria must go to home. Another Igbo king must go to home. This how idea na waka.
And idea I mean waka say Ghana no. I the plan effect. When part the money. I am person will be bad so I cool. As I now also be there. All be come. Yeah. Or the be Igbo village. Yeah. Yam peninsula. Yam peninsula. Yo. Then I am peninsula 24. Mumma menimdie say yesum kola ye ba no nyama ye de ba say ye mai to ye ba na mo ma be to ama ye na ma ye Igbo village ama ye enti ye de asida na de ma ko ma peni say won kuma ye say ye Ghana from bare me ma ye nyefo ye nyama ye me ye
we dey so be ka say bebiri na Saturday ye 26 ye si our transport e dey na we ka tell secretary
ne ka tiro mo say me enye mpa cho na ebe ye mo nyina mu budu obi ambra budu ne ntina.
What's up, guys? This is your boy Kumba. Yeah. Ever since demonstration that was also on the 19th of this month, I'm postponing the call 26th of this month, which is this Saturday coming. Demonstration of Ekosono. I've been seeing a lot of videos going around. Most of the Nigerians, especially the Igbo ones, some of them going on around on this TikTok, ranting their mouth, saying, Ghana Ghanaians cannot do anything to them, and they are here to stay, and they will do whatever they want. They are not even coming to buy more lands and blah blah blah. My piece of advice to those doing those videos: look, there's a reason why Ghana is the first West Africa country to gain independence. We are kind, but don't take our kindness for granted. I'm telling you. And for all those of you doing those videos, we are coming for you people. We are seeing those videos. It's not we are not seeing you. We are seeing those videos. We know where you people are. And we will come for you people. If you come to another man's land and you are not going to obey the rules and regulations in that land, we will show you that we the youth own that land. Some of you that are doing those videos and we can't do anything, don't worry. On 26th you will see us. And there are some particular people on this platform TikTok that I'm really aiming for. Yes, because I've been seeing a lot of videos and we can't do anything. Don't worry. We will show you people the reason why we are the first country to gain independence in West Africa. We will show you people the reason why we are the first. If you guys are not going to respect yourself and stop that your stupid life some of you are living, we are going to teach you how to learn and respect others. And lately there is something going on this country. Lately there are a lot of kidnap issues rising in this country. A lot of kidnaps. We should be very careful. We should be very careful. As Ghanaians, we should be very careful of the people we welcome into our communities. Because some of the Nigerians that are into these countries, some of them are criminals, some of them are kidnappers. So we should be very careful of the people we allow into our community. And as I repeat, for all those Nigerians doing the video claiming that Ghanaians are not going to do anything, we can't do anything, we are coming for you people. Don't worry. We are coming. And by the time you guys will realize that you have to apologize, you will see yourself in your land, in your cursed lands. Don't worry.
Igbo people more remove tribalism for here. Why you will go Ghana say you want to go start Igbo kingdom? You be thief. How you feel say me will be Benin person go come Anambra or Enugu? I will say I want to start Benin kingdom for una state. Una go green. Out of 36 states, una get 5 states inside. Una go fit dominate una state. Una stay una state. Una do make it fine. Una travel go Ghana, go do business, do your business, make your money, come back to your state and enjoy it. No, una want start una Igbo kingdom for Ghana. From Nigeria to Ghana, una go start your own kingdom for there. Una too do. Inya won't even no more go le so. They go do una. They go do now. Say Ghana person come now. You go una state now. You say one start Ghana kingdom for there. You go green. Or one person you come from nowhere. Say one go collect your papa name. Say one they bear your papa name. You go green. You go green. Oji. Character one sabi for Nigeria. Now una carry go Ghana. Because anywhere una enter for Nigeria for you, no one steal from the people. No one steal people state from there. Now una carry go Ghana. No go thief Ghana for Ghanaians. I support Ghanaian people. Make they pursue. Una come back to una state. Una come dominate una state. Una get beautiful state. You get me? Not be everywhere you go. You supposed to tell people say yes, we have arrived. Another man country when you supposed to mellow down. Make you mellow down, make your money. No, you want to not say you don't arrive. None of the suffer. None of too much. I beg. And so now they drag Lagos. I beg you.
My fellow Nigerians, you guys are insulting me because I said the truth, just the hard truth. Why is it that it's difficult for Africans to accept the truth? What did I say wrong that you guys have to insult me? No problem. I'll come back to that insult. I will find out from my manager. If he said make I give one, I will give one back and front. I promise you guys. But now, let me talk to our Ghanaians. Those of you who are married to Nigerians and those who are yet to marry to you guys, I mean the Igbos, the Biafra guys, the touts, which you know you are. If you are married to a Nigerian and you've not been to his place, try and go there. Good. And if you are yet to marry to them, let them take you to their town. Because you see, when it comes to tribalism, they are first class. I bet you. My auntie got married to one of them, and they married her in Ghana. And you know what they did? He didn't take my auntie to their town. What he did was, the Nigerian Union in Ghana, he went and brought some of the officials, some of the big men he knew there. And they came and did everything, and they married my auntie nicely. Now, it's time for my auntie to return to his village people. He went there and his kinsmen said they are not aware that he's married. So, he has to marry a Nigerian fellow Igbo man. I mean, the fellow Igbo woman. And you know what? He married the Igbo woman. And because that woman is from their tribe, they treated her so nicely. And my auntie thought of this whole issue. Eventually, she had a lot of sicknesses and she died. She died and they couldn't even bury her. We have to go to Nigeria to bring her back. You see how wicked you guys are? So when I'm telling you the truth, I'm telling my fellow Ghanaians the truth, to be careful of you guys. You people are here insulting me. I don't blame you guys. My fellow Ghanaians, if you want to get married to a Nigerian, let me tell you the best try. Though even when you get married to them, fine, they'll take care of you. That I know. If there's any good thing about them, I'll say it. Fine, they'll take very good care of you. But then, if you want to marry a Nigerian, Rivers is better. Bayelsa is better. Akwa Ibom is okay. Yorubas, they are the best. They are okay. Then, when you go to Delta, there's nothing wrong with them. There's nothing wrong with them too as well. They are good. But when it comes to Igbo, their tribalism is too much. I am telling you the truth. If you've married them, follow them to their town. If their kinsmen accept you, then that is all. If people are insulting me of what I know, you are insulting me. No problem. I'm just like you. Me, I am from Bayelsa. Yes. Opokma, to be precise. So I know what I'm talking about. If you also marry a Bayelsa lady or a guy or which is from Opokma, you are blessed, because most of them are Ghanaians. You are there insulting me. I'll come back. Let me finish talking to my manager. I'll put fire on my head. Idiots. Sorry, Ghanaians. You people should forgive me, okay? Inyeme Ghana be inyeme Game. You forgive me. Nigeria say you want you of Lofwe. Mintu oni amenu. Yeah, you are done. In love on your fan. You many come no harm your social media. No. I love you guys. Thank you. Love you. In a commenter. Money a story ko we peba hami. Inkaba hami. Nicole, they know about them and be bold enough and tell them, don't be afraid of them. They are all thieves. Those Igbos. I hate you guys.
Wo problem bi efo abrabo odwuma semu osika semu onkrata semu nko ade enkrata semu tumuda sika semu so a tumuda awale problem atumuda ya ready na chese bubu yenka kora fa number ne go screen ase na frame nana me peso ye bisa mami nana me kura bu nkwasea nana me ntibi kurunka nana me ntibi yirenka nana me yire bu nkwasea nana obi nya sika nye project bi mami nana wa diska no nana sabi wada uruma minya wade nana sabi wada ma sika ntimi ntomi nsem mesebra ma ha ye ntwemra wa na be command sika nyam na me command sika wa na be command sika nkrata so a ono ye be ma moti akashimoni wa ye ho process dadada wo se ba no atwen ne ma ye be ma moti na koyi abeto ani na saka wade na ne kire ha da bia fe na be she process ase a frɛ ya ne nya sunsum adwuma ntachiri se ya wudi wurama enema be kontem de ayede e de ama e brada ni ukuada ifiada ni kwasiada na mtrase yesunsunuma number ne 0241 185804 0241 185804 0557 590395 idina da so still confire the red and white powder kino Christianity fa number ne frame ni se me pe be se share apia
call me
I'm picking you.
Call me, I'm picking you. For number never no gen found in your there. Nana Akani na want to find the amount. So please kindly add our country code +233 and consult Confire Red and White Powers. He's spiritualist, helping people in terms you are in diaspora and everywhere. Kindly contact him on the number on your screen, and your life will never be the same. If you are facing documents issue, family cares, family covenant, everything that you are passing through, and it seems things are not working for you, just call him and he will help you, and your life will never be the same.
This issue about Igbo King living in Ghana that is trending everywhere, I want to quickly say something about it. I am speaking from my own opinion in case this message did not get to you very well. First, all the Nigerians that are living in Ghana, they are from different parts, different states. It is not only the Igbos that are living in Ghana. And I also want to say that if any Nigerians have issues in Ghana, we have our Nigeria embassy in Ghana that we can cry to or make complaint to, that will speak on our behalf. Likewise, Ghanaians living in Nigeria, they have their Ghana embassy in Nigeria in case any need for that. So talking about the Igbo King in Ghana, for me, I do not think that crowning yourself an Igbo King in Ghana is even proper, because you are not from a royal blood. So you cannot just come to Ghana and crown yourself a king. We don't even recognize you as a king, because you are making life unbearable for the rest Nigerians living in Ghana, not be only Igbo, they Ghana. Lately, one of my brother wanted to rent an apartment. Because of this crisis going on, he's unable to even get an apartment for rent because of this Igbo stuff, Igbo King in Ghana. You cannot leave your country and come and crown yourself a king in another man's country. Do you understand? So if you are listening to us, if you want to say Igbo leader, it's a different statement than Igbo king. Who crowned you a king in Ghana? And you are even sitting on a throne, having chiefs. I don't understand. So I want to tell all Nigerians living in Ghana that if you see something that is not right, try as much as possible to speak out. And if you see something that is right, also speak out. An injustice for one is an injustice for all. You cannot just come to Ghana and start creating havoc for the rest of Nigerians to start suffering from your own problem. Nobody crown you a king in Ghana. You can say Igbo leader, fine, nobody's going to fight with you. But for you to say Igbo king, now making all the Nigerians look bad everywhere they go, and you are sitting in your house apartment resting. Listen, if anybody don't want to tell you, me, Prince Eli, I will tell you what thing they do. We the Nigerians, especially me myself, I'm not okay with it. Do you understand? So you better sit upright and change your narrative. Stop giving us issues in Ghana. We have been living here for years. I've been living here in Ghana for more than almost a decade now. So you cannot just come in and start creating issues, trying to cause war in Ghana between these two countries. Do you understand? So please, try as much as possible to relate well and think well properly before you act in Ghana. Do you understand? Peace and love, guys. This is my own humble opinion.
I was here, media convoy the red and white by the king of Christianity. Says I be watching baby be a media. I said the beer convoy, and I'm a catcher say, Many busimka. Me yes so comfort. And I'm here with some bra for comfort. And I'm yes a bit mutia comfort. I saw that in Hano. Convoy to me be any as a suicide, me contacting. Me no credit. Me ye comfort and as you convoy. You be a me free Cynthia me fra home. And then you have me fra for no mudim como. We any problem kutiana pa. E ye bofo bi na dinachi. Na bofo no dinachi ni wa hunu bofo na kwan. E ma na ma nkoyi emfama no. Enye na ma bia na ya baifo na di ye nipa wo. Ya na ya honhum ni bebrebe timi kohie nipa bi. Wo hu na no apena se wotim di nhirama no. Honhum bi ti kohie wo bi. Ohun na anu atan wetim de niam abone ye de ede so ano ene de wo hweme ba bia mi gire asabe meso aside kwabena esu agamasu ene sabe esu kuntunkuni ho wo hwe ba bia mi gire ya bofo kira maso simachi pa bia nim kira maso de kira masite mamenka se mi kire ni nkomo kakra bi wa fa number na gu screen ase no e brother ni ku da fiada ne kwesi ada na mtrase yesu sunuma. Brother, sister, I'm a me papa wash him. Who face problem wa brabum? And your man quay infam. Our listen quay. And you must some quay. Sikasam quay. Sabe what I know why. What a chan sunny. Brother, one year soon soon background. Maybe say soon ben a kumam. Ewa brabum. Debiana make us a soon abrabona yaboni yabon or spiritual yamon of physical. Woman about brabo was spiritual. Omo na physical wo mabla bone me koye fam omu o ka se papa kwa mo te ya papa despite mo kene de Japan se omo ni sunsumu background ke se ko madiye o kwa me cheda mo ye se omo ni sunsumu background ko madiye obia no obeka na hintasam de adidi adai e de a kire no mpanifo se wote fa kwa wote wade so nyame nyame nta obia edeti na wo se nyame ntimi mu awo eye nyame ma wo message wasam na di tu nanim no akire wa kwankire woni aso ntino onse wonu de woye mameka se mi kire enzate nyina nyepe me yobia me yesunsumni mani ko akiri ahun bebrebe na mete wo voice ahun bebrebe na me hu wo enti baabi a woni nam no baabi a wo pa wo problem no se bi open solve no nipa kro woni ani enti nema nko ye mfamo mamenga se mi kire wa ba wi ase wo se bosom enim wa de bo nipa bosom bo nipa na se bo asai na bra wa na ka kire wo eya kristofo atoro ne adada kontompo ana ye de adada mo eti muhunu konfo a muhunu se konfo ya atanta de mamenga se mi kire wo entuma agokora no eto de hiyama ma de so ye aduani di enti bosom wanya atanta de wate u problem na wonemu no o face problem wa wale semu a family number na frame e bia na was spiritual marriage no ya wode ada ni ho adi a woda oba ba yi ni ho adi di a kirew ani ya wode woda o ma yi ni ho adi nya da enkirew spiritual marriage ni ye wo mienu ba ku meska de hinta wona o ma wu no woda wono ma meda o na ma wudi ana de yi wo ma wu no ono na sabe okwa awade enye wo ye adwuma enye sika ntimi ntira wonsem obede timi afiri sa problem ni fa number na frɛ confirm ya was spiritual items o hwem wutie me ne confirm aka che wo say there is no double money in one but you was sika kwankyere wo wo hwem no Gwan kasabeti ma command sika eni kwaso bi command sika de ma musi dipa ne twa sika so nyame na eche enti se be bone be na de ye nyame so mo onye sika wa cheki eye nipa bi na mpese obedi an wa ko tie wo sunsum bela na se sunsum kro ye mpagya ni mfiri wo sunsum ba bi bia wo sika hye bia na nanom be kwa akwaje di ama eti wa na be fre sika se kudimra la jamra sefa dollars, pounds, euros, and for our country be now also. Mamika se michel. For the water, so bolo kenke, and timin commandisika, TNA.
obi akwatia de wachi wokra no achiwade ade aka no obede de foda water akọhoro wokra na achiwade ye wa akwanche wo wase ye komfo ya wo ba me fia aha ya akwanche papa fie anantwie enwan nkraman emponche enkokọ emro noma obia ne kra obia ne susu fa namba na frɛ komfo ya mapesi kasa minya komfo ya wo ba bia ba mabrabo ma no okọ be ma bia ba mabrabo ma no okọ papa metone ma ye nto enyama nyina fa akoma me papa baby obia be wura bia de ni je baba mi wura nam da wura wa pie papa mitiye me ya papa nya me nan adecha me kon adecha me nsa hey fana ma ne free the great one so ni mbofo kira mai woni mbofo afafiri ombe ye adwuma ne kama no dia ma aha enema bia kote wo susum bia ma abraba ya bisi basade ama no aha ye dane no shebre ni krabe ne nyankopɔ de ma wo no nyame afo wa ma se be ye kaya yo debi wo be kotre UK wo kotre Canada bia ne nyankopɔ se mentu kwa na wo ye de wo Ghana as when you be amna nya bisa mo nti wo kotre UK nti wo bre enema bi wa ya na nye abaifo na yiwo ye dependi ye nipa no ye hwehwe ye shebre ne ye krabe ne nyankopɔ de ama ye aha yesu sumo adwuma ye was spiritual items wo fa number ne friend say na nema nkoyi ma ye bisa mame na me ya me pese mitimi command sika na me de ka wo UK na me de ka wo Canada na me de metime twetwa mo aka fra me na sunsun no to sika say ye mpagya ni free so na wo command sika simple is a me mitimi fa me ka command sika ma ai mo de ni be che mi mu a ono ni di wonu ni sunsun na be ye sika no de ache. By the way, wuna kasa betima komandu sika akwankyere ye waduro bi wa ye fia ye friend boame ye friend ntwemra eno no ye de brewa wo de be se de obesima yusu no 81 na be komandi sika emfa woni wo bi adwuma wo ya ye twa aka bosome wa obetima komandi sika fa namba na frɛ komfo ya ye was spiritual items wa spiritual items na ye ka no sabi da bi akomfo ya na meka mesese wo be ye benfo ye haban ni nupira ye kaso obi ye benfo me komfo ya me bosum ni me nsuo ni mitumi ntino me jimi hutumi se me ye benfo na tie ni e de na ma me benye obi dina wale sembai ye to dwanto na ntwie ye amamre ni nyina wie ye no se be sena na no se be awade ni wonya wunim de ntira sunsum na obedi na chi no so ma ne ware no se wanfa sunsum no na chi wade ankasa nipa dua na wose musuo nko ana wayi a watu sika atogu enipa na boka beka se konfo no ni aduro hey ye kasa aduro brother tumi nkasa aduro nkasa ye na ye tumi ne kasa mafo ne be kasa ma aduro na kasa ma tumi me nkasa ma me ho me kasa ma aduro eti ya was spiritual items wa ye no oil ni bini ye wane semna wa ha oil ni bini sa oil we eye haban maako 42 ana ede ye oil we na friend back to sender oil we na chiri bayfo oil we na ma wunu se obi a woni ni wadwuma me sebe odworo ho adwomboni se we isu oil we ya na se nipa no nya bayfo kra na odworo ho adwomboni a brother ohun ani ma woni wudi nkoma wantimi hwani mu da oyiwe be mu ohun ni pakro yew beje oyiwe bi fa kopetu wadwuma beje oyiwe bi fa ko srasra wadwuma na wo ye no wabra bone ma be koye di ama sunsun na woda no no obeda wonu meda biem sika na ntimi ntra sika betra srem abraba na koye no ene ma be koye di ama asada to oyiwe no oyi no ahaban maako 21 ana yi free 42 ni ana yede ye soap semna sunsum no woda na acherebre anini apramre ni ananka ne yepamo woda wontimi na enema nkoye mfama ososo da ye basabasa abrabo no fema ni wo enema woye bibien yeye be ma ne ba wo bebresa na okọ oba ne ba wo bebresa na okọ bra beji soap ni bi miesa ne nam oto oyo na no ato semna no ye woni nku wo ho ye febe cream no se wo hu a nipa bi ehia wo hu se wo ehia wo su nipa da wonim bibi wo ye fe pa eso nam sa wo yempa wo yenti no ye de kaka moto bibi ye de face bi de ahye wanim eti obi hunu wo hunu sa wo ye kakai obi hunu wo ba wo hu beba bi hunu wo ba bema ni hunu wo ba ne se eye ne yonko bema enti otimi ni nkomo bra beto feva cream ni bi feva cream no wo pe umpe cream no na pese yemfanya kaji ma de be yama yemfanya ponso ma ye de be yama yemfanya powder ma de be yama yemfanya handkerchief ma de be yama woni wo ni pano edi nkomo nyina no na de hanki no e fa woni kaji na wabo ni pani din di ato e dada powder na wabo ni pani din di asra woni dada sabi nku na wabo ni pani din di asra woni dada woni ni pani ka asem na se ne kra mo du ti se de ya ana me kra bibia ni mi hu what was within seconds was me kra ma me hwe obisika bi wo ho me de ato ama ma me fa ma he bra ni amwo na di yese wo ma yese nkwan ni yese ya yeto obi yese nkwan pa so oni to oni hips esesebe wo protocol bra ni mo sunsumu protocol ne mpie physical ba bia be wura bia wodi nhyira ni yeje ebe de ebe free wo konfo ya mesaya de ya de be se cancer kidney diabetes hepatitis B stroke sebe wo babi num nsa wo babi num ri sebe wo babi wo wa adwirim ka na dwire ho sebe enye wonye normal wo abrochire wo ba e wo abrochi akora na enye normal fana ma na frame ye be ya bi sasa ndi ahwehwem eye ne shebre ne nkrabia ka fi nya mo ba ye be ka kire wo enye ne nkrabia na okra fi nya mo ba na ye obi na aye ne saa so a na nanom be da na didi a kire yen na sebe ye de ho dry de e de aka akwanche bi wo anu waye brother sister aha eye comfort ya spiritual and herbal center e brother ni ku de fiada ni kwesi ada na etrase yesu sumnyuma number na good screen na say 0241 185804 0241 185804 0557 590395 0557 590395 mami no nka se mi ka mi wure yafi uminua ba bi hwe me pa wo hiaba e wo so de bato ne naso spiritual marriage na mesika no e ma be ma wa brabom e ma wunya akono ma ne be ma ne nawo ani e wo spiritual marriage bi wo ha die mesika no wonya ne wadi nkyerɛ enti wo be de nya be ma na ne nawo enti wo sika na wonya ni bebrebe ni nyina no amanfo gina kyerɛ sɛ wode wa wode na akɔgi sika enye no kore sika ye kurafo che obia sika wo ye opo no nko a ye be heda be di sika nkomo eti se wo hwem ne se wo awo problem obi ka kire wo se bosom maba se bi wo ye yale ne abisa se bosom be na aka konfo wa fa achache ni da se bosom maba no ma yale ni a anko be ka yalefo akonfo wo pefefe akonfo wo fe papa akonfo ye ma ne ye mema ye ho fe papa enti mu obi na ada wadwene e ma won tre nyame fie se wo peba abra wunya aba tie niye to anama na bra eso si de kwa bra ne ma omo fe pa abrofo atenten gramu ene ewuna sebe omo chen ahemfo fana ba de guski na se ne frame wona wo hwe me ne wa wo timi wunya chinifo afreme wunya chinifo metom spiritual items ni bi wunya chinifo mesesai metom spiritual items ni bi ba wunya chinifo abrabeto bi ne kohwe see and believe yesi do ani behunu ana abedi hu adanse konfoya spiritual and herbal center minimi nso ni maboso honhom ni de timi ya na mabeka nyam na wotumi no bi yetumi ne ka samafo eti muna mukase konfo ya kasade do ase wo chese woni wotumi mini tumi na duma wotimi fame so ye ana mba mbebo hu dawuru eti se wosi mini tumi a bra woda wo hweme bra na bra be so ye de ehwe ya bia ya pro de ato wade so na so no wa fa ama ye ntimi nsu ye wotu fia mi ntimi nsu ye ma demo wodi begira manim ko ade a mesie ama hukuma ide adwo o so be cha kwa hukuma sa so ma so kwata santima mpuru de yakuna na nakura du ya do yakura hene SOS de kwabra na mutu a medim djuma e brada ne ukuada fiada ne kosiada ana etrase yesus numa fada ma ne frem minisem ne pere be se hia epia